For the first time in Australia, drones are being used to capture DNA from the blowholes of migrating humpback whales. Researchers are trying to find out whether the increasing whale population is placing pressures on the species. The ABC's Tom Forbes reports from the Gold Coast.
Almost 20,000 humpbacks leave Antarctica's waters annually and migrate up the east coast. Little is known about the mammals, so a Gold Coast researcher launched a pilot study to examine the animals' health. Using a drone, Dr. Olaf Meynecke collects mucus in a petri dish hovering above the humpback's blowhole. Whales breathe every 3 to 4 minutes, so timing is important.
We wait for their second breath, and so they come up for a second time, and that's when I usually try to get the whale blow.
40,000 humpbacks once migrated to Queensland's warm waters, but commercial fishing reduced the population to fewer than 500. Whaling ended in the early 1960s and the population has grown to half of what it once was. Dr. Meynecke suspects increased numbers coupled with temperature changes and decreasing krill stocks are affecting the humpback's immune system.
But it's the same with humans, you could be walking down the street and you have a really bad virus, you look healthy, but you're definitely not.
The researcher collected 11 samples during the pilot's study. He'll spend the next month in a Griffith University laboratory examining whale DNA.
In those little particles that we capture, we should be able to find some pretty exciting information.
If the sampling is a success, Dr. Meynecke aims to launch a larger study when the whales return to Queensland next June. Tom Forbes, Lateline.